Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 22. It is related to chapter 1, numbers up to 10,000. Here the first question is, identify and write the number names from the given jumbled words. Here the given jumbled words. By using the jumbled words, we have to find and write the number name. So moving on, first one. First word is EINN. By using these four letters, we have to form which number name? Yes, 9. N-I-N-I-N-E. 9. Next, moving on to next word. Here they given H-N-O-U-D-T-S-A. Do you think what is that word? Yes, 1000. 9,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Thousand. And next word is R-O-F-U. R-O-F-U. Yes, 4. F-O-U-R. What is the number name of the given jumbled words? 9004. Next, moving on to D-bit. Here the given first word is R-E-H-E-T. R-E-H-E-T. Is there any word number name? Yes, it is there. 3. What is the spelling of 3? Yes, T-H-R-E-E. 3. And next, here also one jumbled word is there. What is that? H-N-D-R-D-E-D-U. We have to write by using these letters, spelling of 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Next, moving on to next jumbled word. What is that? W-Y-N-T-E-T. Is there any word with that letters? Yes, it is 20. T-W-E-N-T and Y. 20 and X-I-S. X-I-S. By using these letters, we have to write the number 6. S-I-X. S-I-X. Next, moving on to next question. Second question is, round off the following numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. We have to write the rounding of the numbers. Here the given one number, that is 4606. First question is round off the nearest tens. So we have to see the before place of tens. What is the before place of tens here? Yes, tens before place is ones place. Before going to that, we have to mention places. We want nearest tens, we have to see the before of tens place. What is the before place of tens place? Yes, ones place. In the ones place, the digit is 6. It is greater than 5. So, tens place will increase it by 1 digit. Here in the tens place, the digit is 0. It will increase it by 1. It means, yes, 1. So, the remaining digits as it is in thousands place and hundreds place and tens place will increase it by 1 digit. Here 0 is there. It increases to 1 digit. It makes 1 and ones place should be 0. Moving on to next one. Rounding of the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. We have to see the hundreds before place. See the hundreds before place. What is that? Tens. In the tens place, the digit is 0. It is 0 is less than 5. So what we have to do if it is less than 5? Just we have to write as it is of the remaining digits like 4, 4,600 and the remaining places should be mentioned by zeros. The answer is 4,600. Next, moving on to rounding off the nearest thousands. So we have to see the thousands before place. What is the thousands before place? Yes, 100. We have to see the hundreds place digit. In the hundreds place, the digit is 6. It is greater than 5. So, thousands place will increase by 1 digit. It means 4. It will increase to one digit, it makes 5. The remaining digits, remaining places should be zeros. It is the nearest thousands. Moving on to second question. Here they given 919. We have to write the rounding of the nearest tens. Ones, tens, hundreds. Nearest tens. So we have to see the before place of tens. Before place of 10 is 1. In the ones place the digit is 9. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So tens place will increase by 1 digit. And the remaining is right as it is 9. And tens place will increase by 1 digit. Here 1 is there. It will increase to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And 1 place you have to keep 0. It is the nearest tens. Moving on to nearest hundreds. Here 919 is there. Here we want nearest 100. So we have to see the before place of hundreds. Before place of 100 is tens place. In the tens place the digit is 1. It is less than 5. It is less than 5. If the number is less than 5, you have to write the highest place as it is 900 place, and the remaining places you have to mention zeros. Next, moving on to rounding of the nearest thousands. So we have to see the thousands before place. What is the thousands before place actually? Hundreds place. So we have to see the hundreds place. In the hundreds place the digit is 9. It is greater than 5. So hundreds place will increase by 1 digit. Here the digit is 9. It increases to 1 digit. It makes 10. And the remaining places you have to mention, remaining 2 places you have to mention zeros. It is the nearest thousand. Moving on to third question. I am a 4-digit number. So we have to write the 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 4-digit number have 4 places. Write the places. After that my ones digit is 3. Is it clear? My ones digit is 3. Next, moving on to second question. My tens digit is 3 more than my ones digit. My tens digit is more than 3. So we have to see the ones. First of all, ones place. In the ones place the digit is 3. My tens digit is 3 more than my ones digit. So we have to, more than means we have to do the addition of 3. 3 plus 3, yes, 3 plus 3, 6. So digit in tens place is 6. Moving on to third clue. My hundreds digit is 3 less than my ones digit. Less than means we have to do subtraction. It is the keyword for subtraction. My hundreds digit is 3 less than. Okay. In the hundreds place digit is 3 less than my ones digit. What is the ones place digit? 3. It is hundreds place digit is less than of 3. 3 minus of 3 we get 0. So the hundreds place digit is 0. Next, moving on to next clue. The sum of all my 4 digit is 10. We have to add all the 4 digits. We get the answer 10. So we have to last digit we have to find. The sum of all digits is 10. But we have to first add remaining digits. 0 plus 6. 6 and 6 plus 3, 9. So which number we have to place here, then we can get 9. Otherwise we have to do one thing. We want total 10. So we get, up to now we get sum of the numbers is 9. We have to do the subtraction. 10 minus of 9. 10 minus of 9 is 1. So the missing number here 1. The answer is 1063. Now we have to count 1 plus 0. 1. 1 plus 6. 7. 7 plus 3. 10. It is the number. Yes, my dears, it is very interesting, I think. Help, we have to find the treasure box by coloring all the odd numbers. So we have to know what is odd numbers. In the ones place, there is 1, 3, 5 and 7 and 9. It should be in ones place. The number it is called as odd numbers. So we have to see that in the which number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there. Those numbers are odd numbers. So we have to color the odd numbers and help to Vihan to reach the treasure box. So we have to see ones. See the ones place, all the numbers, see the ones place. 44, 4 not, it is not a odd number. This one also not a odd number. 2, 8, 0, 8. See the ones place only. Next. Here 2, 0, 4, 6. It is not a odd number. 2, 4, 6, 10. Next, moving on here. 3 not 6. In that ones place 6 is there. If 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there, means it is a odd number. So it is not a odd number. Next. 270. 270. Here in the ones place the digit is 7. If the 7 is there, it is odd number. So we have to color the 217. Next, moving on to next one. 12th one. 12. In the ones place the digit is 2. So it is not a odd number. Next, 48. Not a odd number. 60. 14. 78. 32. 8. 70. 96. 42. Next, moving on to 851. 851. In the ones place digit is 1. In the ones place digit is 1. So if 1 is there, it is an odd number. It is a odd number. So we have to color the 851. Next, moving on to 64. In the ones place the digit is 4. Next, here 56. 6 is there. 8. Next, 351. In 351, 1 is in ones place. It means it is a odd number because of 1 is in ones place. So we have to color 351. Next, moving on to 171. 171. Here also 1 is in ones place. If 1 is there in ones place, it is obviously odd number. Next, moving on to 28. 28 is an odd number? No. Why? Because in ones place the digit is 8. Moving on to next row. 40. 40 is there. 40 in the 40 0 is in ones place. So it is not a odd number. Moving on to 703. In 703, 3 is in ones place. If 3 is in ones place, the number is odd number. So we have to color 703. Next, 90. It is a odd number? No. Why? Because 0 is in ones place. Now moving on to 46. Here it is not a odd number. 82. 98. 9. We have to check 9 is in ones place. So it should be odd number. We have to color the 9. Next, moving on to 500. In the ones place digit is 0. So don't move that side. Next, 680. It is not a odd number. See here 437. 7 is in ones place. So it is odd number. We have to color the odd number. 437. Next, moving on to 711. 711 is a odd number. Why? Because in the ones place the digit is 1. So it is a odd number. 10. It is not a odd number. Next, 62. It is not a odd number. 28. It is also not a odd number. 34. In the ones place 4 is there. So it is not a odd number. 6. It is not a odd number. 519. We have to closely look here. 9 is in ones place. So it is a odd number. Next, moving on to 38. In the ones place digit is 8. So it is not a odd number. Moving on to 12. 2 is there in ones place. So it is not a odd number. 95. Next number. 5 is in ones place. 5 is in ones place. It is a odd number. Have to color the 95. Next, 233. 3 is in ones place. So it is a odd number. Color the 333. Next, 401. Yes, 1 is in ones place. So that 401 is a odd number. Next, moving on to 679. 679. 9 is in ones place. So it is a odd number. Next, 937. 937. It is also odd number because of 7 is in ones place. Next, 309. The 9 is in ones place. So the 9 is in ones place is a odd number. We have to check the ones place only. Next, 505. 5 is in ones place. So it is also odd number. Remaining also you have to check 92. 2 not a odd number. 6. Next, 4. 74. 8. 6, 72, 96, 22, 54, 8, 200. This is not a odd numbers. If those digits are there in ones place, that numbers is odd numbers. So we have to collect the way of Wahin. See here, it is the way of Wahin to reach her treasure. Yes, Wahin safely reach her treasure. Thank you everyone.